If you want to learn about the greatness of ancient India and see the technology present at that time, please watch this video until the end. Known as Bhuleshwar, this temple is approximately 50 km from Pune in Maharashtra, India. There used to be a fort named Daulat Mangalgarh nearby, and some remnants can still be seen. Built at a significant height, this temple is easily visible from a distance, and its outer design resembles that of a mosque. The temple is built in a way that prevents sunlight from entering, resulting in some parts not being captured as desired. Despite the video quality, I wanted to share information about this temple because of its interesting structure, the carving inside, and its uniqueness, which I believe everyone should see. It is one of the temples constructed in a mosque-like fashion as a defensive measure against Muslim invaders during a time when they sought to assert the superiority of their religion. The intent was to deter invaders by creating an appearance similar to their own holy places, preventing them from approaching. However, it's important to note that the temple was not immune to attack. Soldiers under Aurangzeb attempted to destroy the intricate carving of this temple. Additionally, there are accounts suggesting that enemy forces camped here for about a month in an attempt to obliterate the temple. If the religion is called Sanatan, how could one attempt to destroy it? To access the main part of this temple, there are dark paths on both sides. Judging by the paved path, it appears that soldiers might have been stationed here to protect the temple from attacks. Before enemies could navigate the dark path, they likely would have been confronted and defeated by skilled soldiers. Within the Garbhagriha of the temple lies an ancient Shivlingam, whose consecrator remains a subject of controversy. There is a sizable monolithic Nandi statue and a large tortoise statues as well. Around the four sides of the Garbhagriha, there is an open roof, and the carving outside the Garbhagriha are remarkably commendable. Despite numerous attacks over the years, the carvings have endured relatively unscathed. Constructed during the 13th century under the Yadava reign, this temple is made of black basalt stone sourced from a distant location, as no such stone is available in the temple's nearby areas. This temple can be considered a treasure trove of carvings, featuring numerous depictions of Hindu gods and goddesses. In addition to carvings of dancing women and musicians, there are various depictions from the Mahabharata. An attractive aspect of this temple is the idol of Lord Ganesha in a female form, which is quite rare. I doubt that such a representation of Lord Ganesha exists in any other temple. Here, we can also see Bhishma Pitamaha lying on a bed of arrows. Many carvings of horses, elephants, and camels in a war are also shown. Soldiers riding chariots and fighting are also carved here, which were later destroyed. Many arrows shooting from a single bow are also depicted, similar to those shown in the Mahabharata. From the wheels of the chariot to the bow and the arrow, everything is intricately carved. By examining the details of the carving, it is impossible to say that these were carved thousands of years ago. By examining various carving in this temple, it feels like a repository of knowledge where visitors receive information through these carvings. Judging by the uniformity of the columns, one can easily discern how efficiently the workers must have labored on each part of the temple. Inside, there are many small temples where idols of gods used to be, but attackers spared no idols, leaving the temple devoid of them today. One can only imagine the positivity when all the idols were in place and the temples was not destroyed. It feels disheartening to see why the attackers destroyed such beautiful architectural marvels of ancient India. Also, it's unfortunate for the artist who spent so much time building such mesmerizing structures from the stones. But even in such conditions, these carvings do not lose their beauty. There's one more peculiarity of these carvings that can be seen when observed closely. Those carvings that are completely removed from their place give the impression that they were adhered to the wall using some kind of a glue. Just imagine that there was such a glue present at that time which would hold all the carvings in their place. It is said that numerous peoples attempted to destroy this temple, but they were never able to do it. Even after so much struggle, they could not significantly damage the temple. In the 17th century, by the order of Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, the restoration of this temple was carried out. During this time, some changes were made in the temple's architecture, like the spire and the entrance door of this temple. It's unfortunate that today there is no technology available or known to humankind that can build such type of architecture and carvings. If you would like to watch interesting videos related to such wonderful architecture, please share and subscribe to this channel. I am Sumit and I will see you in the next episode.